Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning my car. Oh my god, this is like a task that I feel like I never do as frequently as I should. Life is just busy and I do basically live out of my car because I spend so much time at work, and if I'm not at work then I'm just at home. So a lot of the time I leave a lot of items in there that probably shouldn't be in there. So I'm gonna be doing, I guess you could call it like an exposing video. I'm gonna expose myself and tell you guys how filthy I am. Oh my gosh, so my car is pretty bad at the moment. I actually spilt tea in it last week and I just forgot it's in my cup holder. It's kind of sticky. Haven't gotten around to it. I actually didn't think I would admit that in this video, but I have left tea in my car cup holder for a week. So give this thumbs up if you're just as dirty as I am, because relatable, right? Content is relatable. So how I think I'm going to approach this video is I'm basically just going to show you guys what my car looks like, explain why certain things are in my car, and just make up a lot of excuses as to why it's in my car even though it shouldn't be in my car. And then once I'm done showing you guys and cleaning my car out, which I'm probably not going to do because we all know how to clean a car, I will probably most likely show you the after, because it's going to be so pretty and sparkly and shiny, and I actually love my car. I love my car, so the fact that it's dirty is actually really annoying and I can't wait to see it clean. So Declan actually used all of my car products, like all the interior wash and stuff like that. He went away for a weekend camping and then he was like, my car is filthy. I'm gonna use all of your products. Declan has a huge car. He has like a Nissan Patrol. So yeah, all of that was used on his Patrol, and it's dirty again anyway because I think he went away like the following weekend camping. So I'm just gonna be using normal stuff that I use in the house. I don't really use anything that is full of chemicals, so it's not going to damage my interior. I do have a leather cleaner, but I do like to wipe over my leather seats with soapy water first, just to kind of get the dirt off it. Okay, so I am in the garage. Now before I expose myself too much, I do want to say that I did just have Pickles in the car. So there is fur absolutely everywhere. Whenever I bathe her, I feel like I have to like brush her 4 days in a row to get all of her excess fur off. So this is basically straight after a bath. It was when she was getting de-sexed. I bathed her the night before and then she came in the car. Sorry, I didn't mean to expose you, but it's true. So yeah, there's fur everywhere in the front, so please don't judge me. But I'm not gonna have Pickles in the video purely because she likes to jump around my car and it's full of leather, so I don't want that scratched. I do have a towel in my car when she's in it, but the last time I tried to clean my car with her, she just jumped in and out. Like every seat that I cleaned, she'd like jump on it, and I just don't want my interior damaged. I know, superficial, right? So I'm gonna show you what my car looks like. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Don't know if I can come back from this, guys. Here goes nothing. Alrighty, so this is the front seat. Mum gave me these clothes maybe 2 weeks ago and I haven't brought them inside. They're clean, they're folded, I just haven't brought them inside. I don't know why. It's a container that Mum gave me. This was full of water. It was in my work bag. I just haven't taken my work bag out. That's when I had crumpets the other morning. I just left it in my car when I like left for work. These are Alex's sunglasses. I have no idea why they're actually in here, so that's fun. Bobby pins, amazing. This is the towel that Pickles goes on. She was just in my car the other day and this morning, as I just said, so I normally just shake this out of the car. I actually just got that before I gave Pickles a soft serve. We went to drop Austin off to my in-laws. This is from yesterday. Austin was crying in the car, so I gave him a snack because snacks make him happy. And then basically like cards that don't need to be in my car. Then this is full of absolute like crap. And then this this is the gross part, guys. This is the tea that I spilt in my car and I left it there for a week. Mind you, it didn't have milk in it, so it is just like black tea, but still gross, right? And Pickle's fur is just everywhere. Like, oh my god, so gross. Like, what is that? Okay. Oh my god, so this is where Austin's seat is. There's spare shoes that I wore, some shorts that I took off, wipes. I always have spare wipes. They should be in the door like this, but I always just chuck them. A bra, I have no idea why that's in my car. An infuser that I have been meaning to bring inside, but I just have not, guys. I just have not. My Kindle, I don't know why that's in my car. Oh my god. And this is behind the seat. Spare sheets, a blanket. To be fair, this was to put over Pickle's crate when we picked her up from the veterinary clinic after being desexed. Declan's shoes, I have no idea why they're in here. My camera case, like why? Perfume that I got for Christmas that I just haven't brought inside. I'm such a bad person. Oh my god. A picture of Pickles when she graduated from puppy school. Amazing. Plastic bag. These are extinct, by the way. Like, that's how long this has been in my car. A cup tray. Like, why? Oh my god. Biscuit crumbs. Oh my god. A spare dummy. Amazing. Oh my gosh. A sound tablet. Oh my gosh. And then this is my side. Now my side's relatively clean. Okay, and then there's the boot. Oh my gosh. This pram, like, is really inconvenient. It's so big, but I have so much stuff in the back. Oh my god. So that is a quick rundown of what's in my car. I'm probably gonna prop the camera up on my dash and I'm just gonna show you guys, like, the things that I didn't just show you then. Like, there's things under my seats, there's things in my boot. Oh my gosh. I'm committed to this now, aren't I? See you guys soon. Okay guys, so I'm in my back seat. I'm just gonna basically show you what I find under my seats. I know that there's quite a bit under there. As I get more in depth into this cleaning, I just want to say, like, I don't have dirty things in my car. It's basically just clothing and like towels and things from like day trips where I've just not thought to take it inside. Like, I just want to go inside and relax. So I'm not a dirty person, but I definitely struggle with like clutter in my car. Like, that is one thing that I struggle with, and also folding laundry is something that I struggle with inside the house. So before I get into this, I'm not a dirty person. I'm actually so like OCD when it comes to like cleanliness. But yeah, let's get into what's under the seats. Okay, so obviously I found these blankets before. Okay, so there is a container. I have so many containers in my car, guys, because I wash them at work and I bring them back. But a lot of the time after work, I tend to go into the shop to buy something for dinner, or like if Austin's run out of snacks when he goes to care, I'll go and get blueberries and stuff, and all the time I'll just take my reusable Woolworths bag and I'll just take the containers out and I'll just use that to go shopping and get things, if that makes sense. So that's why I just tip it out in my car. It's so, like, I don't know why I do it. There's also a pair of shoes. Now I remember these being in here for a while actually. I wanted to keep these in my car, so if I felt like wearing these to work I could change my shoes. But I haven't worn them in a while, so they've been in here for a few months. These used to be my favorite shoes, and they actually broke when I was walking to work. I don't know why this is still in here, because I definitely threw the other one in the bin like the day that they broke. Declan shoes. A continental home style pumpkin soup box. It's completely empty. An invoice from JB Hi-Fi. So many receipts, like I've found so many receipts. Oh my gosh. Oh guys, I got this when I did Austin's first birthday photo shoot, and this was a gift that the photographer gave us, and he never wore it because it was summer around the time of his first birthday, so it was just too hot, and this is quite thick, so he never wore this. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'll definitely be keeping it. My navy cap that I have actually been looking for. Amazing. Oh my gosh. A bath book. There's so many random toys in the car because obviously if you have a child yourself, you know that they just are not entertained by things for long periods. So he liked this for about 2 days, and then he just threw it whenever I gave it to him. So that is that. Plastic bottle. This must have been here for a while because I don't drink out of plastic bottles. I like have a water bottle. So that's fun. That's amazing. Straight into recycling. And then just the sound box. That's all, guys. That's all I found under that seat. I'm actually not worried myself. I've definitely had worse things under my seats. Alrighty. Plastic bag. Cup tray. Photo of pickles, and I'm probably just gonna leave it for a second. Another pair of shoes. Again, a bra. Containers. Window cleaner from when I last cleaned my car. Oh my god, my life is a mess. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Tea towels that we got for Christmas from Declan's parents. Guys, it's the 3rd of March. Just let that sink into your little brains. Oh my gosh. The wipes, as I mentioned before, I will just leave them here. Oh my gosh. Here's PJ pants. Oh my gosh. The green tea that I spilt in the front of my car. Oh my gosh. Shorts. The diffuser. My other pair of shoes. Oh my gosh. Rubbish. Oh my god. This is a lolly container from my best friend's little sister's 21st. That was like, I think it was in like October. No, just wait. November, December, I think it was. This is amazing. It's still in my car. Oh my gosh. A water bottle that I haven't really been looking for. He kind of went off this water bottle, but amazing. Good to have spares at home. There's screws here. I don't know what these are. These are probably Declan's, but they're going in the bin because he hasn't asked for them, so he's obviously not missing them. A lot of serviettes. Again, just like lots of like receipts. Amazing. That is it from the back seat, guys. I'm actually not that embarrassed. It just needs like a decent vacuum back here. Amazing. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, it just needs like a vacuum. Toddlers are so messy. Like, this is just from like things that he's thrown, like biscuits, anything, you name it, he throws it. And this is the bottle that he let drip next to him. He was doing it on purpose. I watched him and he smiled at me. So that is what I have to deal with. But yeah, my back seats are never used, guys. Like, these are brand new seats. So I really do look after my car. It's just like the floors I really struggle with. Hey guys, so that is my car done. I'm sorry that I didn't really have the most amazing after. I haven't done a detail clean in my car exterior wise, purely because it's raining every day here in Brisbane at the moment, so there's literally no point. But the inside is smick. It is so clean. I love a clean car, so I'm really hoping that I don't hoard all of my clothes and containers in there for at least a few more months. But with all of that said and out of the way, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already and you did enjoy it, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just click down below, subscribe. It's that simple. It takes 1 second and I appreciate all of the support. So I hope that you guys have a great day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.